This TEKNO 3-burner stainless cooktop is one of the cheapest built-in burner in the Philippines. The original price was 7,400 pesos, but I acquired it on sale and voucher for only 6,400 pesos on April 2023. It is an electrical ignition, but you can use the torch or lighter when it's not plugged in. There's a sound and spark whenever you use the ignition by electricity. Very classy and easy to install. There's a free apron, pot holder and kitchen towel from TEKNO upon purchase. The distribution of heat is strong even though the fire is low, so you can save for liquefied petroleum gas for a long time. Though the source of ignition is electrical, you cannot cook by electric. LPG is still required. The only issue I encounter is that the electric ignition is sometimes moody and takes time to ignite. But maybe it's not plugged in properly, or because maybe our power source here in our place is low. But other than that, your money is all worth buying this cooktop. Very cheap yet very classy. Easy to install, easy as just like plug and play. You can use all burner at the same time on a medium-size pot or pan, but 2 burners only on large-size pan and casserole. There's no need to have flooring under the cooktop, since it is sturdy and can carry heavy weight on a normal daily dish cooking. Summary review: it's sturdy, heavy-duty, LPG saver, accommodating TEKNO service. The cheapest built-in 3-burner stove. Most of all, worth buying for aesthetic feels. So what are you waiting for? This is the sign. Add to cart and buy now. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless.